And I want you to know it's okay sometimes to feel like you just... Hi, welcome to the Lauren Luff channel. So glad you're here. Enjoy the video. I receive these downloads that I get a lot of times in the morning, and then I want to share them with you. I am putting on my makeup, and I am a little non-traditional this way. I put my makeup on in the family room because I get up super early. Today I think I got up at 4:30. That's a little early for me. I don't know about you. Maybe that's a typical time for you. That's early to me. I wanted to talk today, good boy Coda, about the idea that when we suffer from the long-term illness, which has happened to me a few times. So if you've gone through long-term illness to the point that it had you stuck at home, literally in your bed, on your couch, not able to live your life, you know what I'm talking about, really depressing kind of stuff. And then you get to a point where you start feeling better, right? And if you've reached that point and you're starting to feel better, depending on where you are in that process, lots of times mentally, I think it's really hard. We don't feel our best to feel, am I going back there? When we work so hard to get out of where we were, right? And then, I don't know, for me, one day I might have pain in my back. And that was a big part of my chronic pain. And my first thoughts might go to, oh, is this going to be a relapse? Is this going to get as severe as when I was sick before? And it's okay to have days that we don't feel, not even days. We might just have moments where we feel these sensations in our body. And it's, oh, I think he has a shoe. Wait 1 second. Good boy. I had a little interruption. Back to what I was saying. So when we go through a long illness like that, a chronic illness that completely changes our life, and we're in a pretty dark place for a long time until we're able to come out of that. Sometimes when we have a day that isn't amazing as far as how we feel, we might start getting scared or nervous that this means that we're going back to where we were. And I want you to know it's okay sometimes to feel like you just aren't 100%. It does not mean you're going backwards. It just means that maybe you need to take a little break. Our body has a way of sending us a message. You need to take it easy because we have some healing to do. Your body is communicating with you. And with practice, you can become better and better at listening to what your body is saying and be confident to know that this is just a normal part of being a human and living in this human experience. There's days where we are not going to feel our 100% best, and it's okay. And it doesn't have to mean that we're going back to where we were. I understand how that can make us feel that way. I've been there for sure. And it still sometimes happens. And I have to bring myself back, just like you will. And that's great. Or maybe you have been doing that. If you know that it doesn't mean you're going backwards. We are afraid that this might be leading towards going back to that dark place when we had chronic illness. We have to watch our thoughts, because the more we think that way, we can actually create a situation that we did not want. So the more confident you can be in knowing that that's not what this is, the better off you'll be in the long run. Because remember, we're always listening to our thoughts. And if we keep thinking, oh, I hope this isn't going to mean I'm going back to that place again. Oh, I don't want to be sick again. Oh, I can't feel anything less than great. Or this is just, it's going to spiral down. The more you tell yourself that, your body is listening. And we don't want to give that message of doubt and worrying and being unsure of what this means. Be confident in knowing that you are hearing what your body's telling you and just take it for what it is. Slow down in the moment and listen to your body right now. So I hope that helps. I hope it made a difference for you. Have an awesome day. Namaste.